We're going to go ahead and replace our cabin air filter located inside and behind the glove box. Let's go ahead and open up your glove box. Remove your contents. There's a little spring clip. You're going to press in on this. Pop this out, it's shaped like an L. Right behind that, there's another cover that has a spring clip on each side. You can press in on this side, pull it out, go to the other side, press in on that side, and pull this out. I'm gonna go ahead and do this here, pull that cover off. Once you pop that cover off, right behind it is your cabin air filter. You wanna go ahead and grab that, slide that filter on out, set that aside. You wanna go ahead and take your new filter. You wanna pay attention to any type of writing on the side. It actually has a little arrow that says up, so it's gonna be pretty simple to go ahead and line this up. Insert that, push it right on in. Make sure it's all the way in. Take your cover, that is also labeled up, so it makes it easy for that to line up. Now reach on in there, make sure both those little tabs are lined up. Press both sides in so that it snaps into place. I'm gonna go ahead and take your cover here, line this up. You're gonna put these two tabs on the end, inside, kind of locks in. Swing this on in, snap that in. Go ahead and put your contents back into the glove box. Close the glove box and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.